powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner, B0BWPFNPXX, and the Weber Q2200, B00FDOON9C.
Yeah, let's break them down. First thing I notice is size. The Nexgrill has a bigger cooking area, 401 square inches compared to the Weber's 280. Might be good if you're cooking for a slightly larger group.
True, but the Weber is more compact overall. Dimensions are smaller, and it weighs less, 42.5 pounds versus the Nexgrill's hefty 70.1 pounds. Portability is a definite plus for the Weber.
Good point, and the Weber's got those porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which people seem to rave about for even heating and easy cleaning. The Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, so similar material, but the enameled part on the Weber might give it an edge.
Ah, good catch. Now the Nexgrill boasts 28,000 BTUs of heat output, while the Weber Q2200 only has 12,000. That's a pretty big difference. Does that mean the Nexgrill can get a lot hotter?
Potentially, yeah. Though BTU isn't everything. Cooking performance depends on how well the grill distributes that heat. The Nexgrill description mentions an even heat cooking system, but the Weber has a strong reputation for consistent temperatures.
Tricky. I do like that the Nexgrill has foldable side tables, always useful for prep space. Does the Weber have that?
Yep, the Weber has 2 folding work tables as well, so that's a wash.
What about ignition?
Both have electronic ignition, which is convenient. The Nexgrill emphasizes its one-button ignition, while the Weber just calls it, quote, electronic.
Okay, so it sounds like the Nexgrill is bigger, more powerful, and potentially cheaper. But the Weber is more portable and has that Weber reputation for quality.
Exactly! And the Weber has a higher rating, 4.7 stars versus the Nexgrill's 4.3, plus a whole lot more reviews.
Right, but it is currently out of stock. That's a pretty big problem. If I need a grill right now, the Nexgrill is my only option.
True. Availability definitely matters. So it really comes down to what you prioritize. Immediate grilling, value and size versus portability, brand reputation, and potentially better heat distribution.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.